Geocoding, in fact, is the starting point for most business analyses. Once you have a point geocoded, an address geocoded, then we can ask questions. What's the nearest? What is this point inside or close to? Or what's the value or the risk or the danger of that particular point location? Now on this next slide, we're going to be talking about a definition called geofencing. Geofencing gets used a lot in social networking and location-based services. A geofence is, in fact, a geographic polygon or a virtual perimeter, and it determines if a lat long from a mobile device is inside or outside. It can be defined as a radius. In fact, a geofence defined as a radius is usually just an as the crows flies distance. A geofence can also be defined as a driving area or some irregular polygon. Geofencing, however, is not reverse geocoding. Reverse geocoding, as we'll see in our next definition, is in fact assigning an address to a lat long, not determining if it falls inside or outside a given polygon. So as we'll see moving on here, that reverse geocoding returns an address for a given coordinate, usually a latitude and longitude. So as a lat long is an input, then a GPS-enabled device is typically feeding that lat long in, such as from a smartphone or a GPS receiver or some sort of a routing system, and then it returns an address from that. So in this next slide, we'll see that an example from a lat long that comes in, and in the lower left-hand box, the lat long comes in with, and then the output address then can be very exact. In this example here,